Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that there is a pattern forming. Okay, and I keep repeating you since my previous days videos. You can check my monthly as well as weekly videos where I explain you that there is a pattern forming, and if you understand this pattern has not formed for once. It is formed for around 5-6 times. Okay, and this is the 6th time. If this particular level sustain or any of the swing we have seen, then we can see a probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside. Okay, so you have to understand something looking at this chart. Okay, that if it sustain above this particular level, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability is high. We can see it can move further high. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart for the next week. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other position, stock or forex, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical works. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 92.67. okay, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $94.52. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $95.63. This level sustain, then we can see it can go touch a level of 94.79, which is again, you can say, if this level goes upside, because this particular level what we have seen is not being tested here, but if sustained, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $95.77. okay, and if the price goes up that level, then there is a high probability of touching $98.37, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $100.32. okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $101.94, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $104.54. okay, suppose if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $105.19, and from there we can see it can go further high and can cross a level of $108.77. you have to keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of $108, then there is a high probability that this same pattern can form in this particular trend, and there is a high probability we can see it can move further high towards a level of 120 also, or it can move further upside. okay, now you have to understand something. Market will not move in one direction like this or in the downside like this. It will hold for some time, then it will move upside. In the same way, it will hold for some time, then it will move downside. okay, so now it is currently trading at around 90.39. suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, okay, and we have seen that this particular level is a weak support, so probability is very high. If this level didn't sustain, a probability is very high. We can see it can go to a level of $89.27. okay, and this level is again a weak support, so probability is high. We can see it can touch a level of $88.29. okay, and suppose if the level goes down further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $87.64, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $85.37. okay, and suppose the price fall below that level, then there is a high probability we can see it can move further low towards a level of $76.92. okay, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $67. keep this in mind. If the price fall below a level of $85.37, which is a high probability that it will not sustain a level of $89, because this level is a weak resistance, so probability is high. If this particular level, if this support sustain, we can see a bounce back, but we can see a support coming at around 88, so probability is high. We can see again a downfall for this particular level. So suppose if this level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $77, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $67 also. okay, so keep this in mind that if the price fall below a level of 85, then a probability of moving further down is very high. okay, till the time we will not find a swing for this particular level, we will not see a same same pattern will not form. okay, till the time it didn't sustain a level of 100, above 100. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up or if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.